all on my lane. You all on my lane. You ain't overlooked. So get out the way. I gave you the book. I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you need, no. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a seed, no. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now, today we got the most amazing immune booster. Since we're going into COVID and flu season, we're going to make our homemade elderberry ginger ale. Shout out to King's Elderberry, but we're going to get there in a second. But first, you got some fresh ginger. You got some agave. Now, you can use any sweetener you like. We got a lime. Now, you can use a lemon with this as well, but I like the citrus of the lime a little bit better. We got some San Pellegrino, some sparkling water, whatever kind you want. And then King's Elderberry. This is the trick to the whole solution, this King's Elderberry syrup. Now, this here is made by Miss Brandy King from Chattanooga, Tennessee. This is an amazing booster. Actually, when I had COVID back in the days, man, I was using this to help me fight it, and it's so incredible. So I just decided I use it for this immune booster. So the first thing I'm gonna do is clean your ginger. Then once you get it clean, go ahead and cut it up. Now, you can cut your skin off, but ginger skin has incredible health benefits as well. You can do your research on it. So I decided to keep the skin on, and we're going to strain it out anyway. So go ahead and get your ginger cut up. Cut it real fine or however you like it. And then go ahead and put some spring water on top of that. And you want to make sure you're using spring water or some alkaline water, some water that's not acidic. All right. Then you're going to get your lime juiced, and you can juice it into the mix if you like, but I'm just juicing mine and I'm adding it to the mix at the end. All right, go ahead and get that ginger steeped, and I steeped it for about 15 minutes, and then once it was steeped, I went ahead and strained it. All right, see, there you see the strained liquid there. All right, from there, I'm adding the agave to sweeten it up. Now, remember, the King's Elderberry syrup is sweetened with honey, so you don't have to sweeten it too much. And then I added the lime juice to kind of offset it and give it some acidic notes. All right, shout out to our Motivated Podcast, Ain't You? If you ain't following the podcast, go follow it and go check out my episode. All right, so you want to get your cup, and we're going to double cup this like they do in the H-Town. So I see them drinking some bad drink. We're going to drink some good drink. So go ahead and add your ounce of that elderberry syrup in there. You can add a little bit more if you like, but I'm adding an ounce. And then followed by that ounce, I'm adding about a 1/4 cup of the ginger simple syrup that I made. And then I'm finishing off with the sparkling water at the end, just to have that acidic notes. And this ginger ale is kind of strong, so it's going to remind you of like the bold ginger ale. So it got a little kick to it. Plus the elderberry syrup just brought it all together. And look at that, man. It's double cup, so it's going to keep that good and cold and isolated. And there you got it. A great drink. All right. Shout out to everybody in the H-Town. If you drinking that bad drink, switch it up and drink some good drink. You ain't got to be drinking no bad stuff. You can drink good stuff that's going to help you and give you health benefits to make it through this COVID and flu season. And shout out to King's Elderberry, like I said, for the amazing elderberry syrup. You can check their website out. I'll link that down below. Look at that, man. And shout out to the I'm Motivated Ain't You podcast. Like I said, if you're not following them, go follow them and check out my episode and check out all the episodes, by the way. But there you have it, the most amazing immune booster elderberry ginger ale drink. Like, comment, subscribe. I catch y'all guys on the flip side. I'm out.